Hi Rpod community. One of the things I found most annoying about this cabinet over my kitchen in my 2019 Model 180 was the door that didn't span the entire length of the cabinet. It made it difficult to get to cookware that was on the sides. You'd sometimes have to unload the stuff in the middle to get to it. In December, Jeremy made this post and inspired me to replace the cabinet door. This video details the project. I was surprised that the front of the cabinet actually comes apart pretty easily and cleanly. Remove the door and then use a pry bar or a claw hammer to remove the side panels. They are just stapled on so they come off easily. The vertical beams are screwed into place with 2 screws on the top and 2 on the bottom. You can unscrew them from the inside of the cabinet for a super clean removal. Or you can do like I did and pry the beam out and then unscrew the screws. Either way, if you're careful, you'll preserve the cabinet frame from damage. I used finished pine to build the new frame, which was not too expensive and it's sturdy. I tried several combinations of stain to match the color as best I could. What I ended up choosing is brushing on a single heavy coat of Varathane weathered oak for the base, and then for the top coat, I used a rag and applied a very light coat of Mini Wax Dark Walnut. Both of these are available off the shelf at Lowe's. You shouldn't have to get anything custom mixed. It's not an exact match, but it's pretty close. The final coat is a single coat of protective finish. I was thinking about the cabinet door face, and I wanted to create something unique that fits the theme of my RV. So I used an old weathered fence board that I saved from my yard, and I'm learning how to use a wood burning tool. The centerpiece attaches to the back of the door frame using screws. So if I ever want to create something new or different for the cabinet door face, I would simply just unscrew the old face and screw on a new one. I removed the hardware from the original door and reused it on the new door, including the hinges, the handle, and that side bracket plunger thingy that holds the door open. To create the flat bottom hole for the hinges, use a 1 3/8 inch Forstner bit. After the hinges are installed, you're ready to mount the new cabinet door. I am really super happy about how this turned out. I think it turned out really well. What I love about this is not only I think it looks nice, but look, I can get to everything without having to reach around through the center. I put in a motion sensing battery operated light inside so I can see better. And if anybody is concerned about maybe you're going down a bumpy road and stuff might all hit against the door at the same time and all fall out, remember those panels that we removed earlier, right? I put some Velcro on it and some Velcro inside the cabinet, and I'm just going to stick these here when I'm going down the road, and that'll keep everything inside the cabinet. Okay, so that's my project. Hope it was helpful, and we'll see you guys around. Bye-bye.